Hi guys, I'm Tim the Kid RS10C here. I'm going to be flying my Parrot Drone. It's a really good drone. It can do flips, fly really fast, and it has good camera image. Alright, I'm going to start it now. Here it goes. Alright, that's one flight that's possible, but I'll be showing you how fast this thing can go. Yeah, so that's how fast and high it could go. And I'll be showing you how it could dance actually. I made it up, but I think it actually danced. That was actually a pretty good landing. Right now I'm going to fly it possibly. Alright, ready? Let's go. No, what the drone say? Oh crap. That was a good landing. Alright, one more flight and that's it. I can't do a flip on this phone because it's not that good. I'm recording with my iPad right now. And I can only do flips on my iPad because I had it longer and it's meant for the iPad.
And yes, I'm recording this video.
And Cardin's recording, my friend Cardin. And
Steelman89 is recording right now. Ooh! Don't hit me.
You're not getting me in that video, are you at all?
Alright, that's it for me. I'm Tim the Kid RS10, and this is my Parrot Drone, and here's the camera on the back. Alright,
and yep.
And see you guys later.
Steelman89 recording. Bye. Peace.